How to disable auto software update on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to disable auto software update on Android. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch settings on your device. Scroll down and then you need to locate the software update. If you don't find the option directly, tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in the update. You will see all the list of updates including the software update within a minute. If you find the option for software update, select it and then open it. After that, you will land on the section where if you see any kind of software updates, you have to install it to the latest version. So in order to disable auto software update on Android, tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select auto update and here select auto download at top of the screen and type or tap in the do not allow button and tap on the turn off button so that there won't be any auto download. Once you have done that, you will see the next option, that is auto update overnight. If you have toggled the button on, then you have to tap on it and toggle it off and make it a gray button so that updates will not be automatically installed between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. when your device is not being used. Once you have done that, you will successfully see that your auto software updates has been disabled on Android. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.